So in the continuation, we are discussing about the seed extraction from the seeds. Now we have to extract the seeds. So this seed extraction are having major two parts. First is the dry method and another is the wet method. So in dry method, what we do, we take mature and dry fruits, we allow it to kept under sunlight for 2 to 3 days, but we don't keep these for drying. We don't keep these seeds for whole day. The timing is from the 8 to 11 a.m. and from 2 to 5 p.m. This, by keeping these seeds under the light sunlight, this will reduce our moisture content of the seeds. And this time of technology is used for chili, okra, or sponge gourd. While in case of radish, how we extract seeds there, we realize when the pod of the radish tree become brown. Browning of the pod indicates that seeds are at the verge of maturity. When seeds are getting mature, means pods are getting dry, then we extract seeds, then we allow these seeds to grow under the not grow, to keep these seeds under the shade so that there will be decrease in the moisture content of the seeds. Then these seeds will be stored further. And another example here, we will discuss about the carrot. As we know, the carrot seeds are produced in umbel form. So how we will be able to know that the umbels which are present on this carrot are mature? We are having one logical thing. When we will, the second umbel, when it is fully ripened, it has changes its or it is ripened, we will see that at the surface of it is looks like that it has ripened. And when the third umbel of the carrot is brown, turns brown, it indicates that the first umbel is fully mature. Then we will use first and secondary umbel for the seed extraction method. The another method which we are discussing about here is the wet method. So what we do in the wet method, this method is firstly use it for tomato, brinjal, cucumber, muskmelon, watermelon. That means whenever seeds are in the pulp, that time we proceed for the wet method extraction of seeds. They are again divided into three. We are again in wet method, we are again having three different methods. First is acid method, second is fermentation method, and the third is alkali method. So in case of acid method, what we do, we take our fruit like tomato, we crush it, then keep this pulp in a plastic container or wood container. What we do, fully ripened fruit is taken, it is crushed. So this crushed pulp is taken in the containers. It can be either plastic or the wood. Then commercially available HCl is added to this pulp. So commercially available HCl is added to this pulp. The acid removes the mucilage. So it removes all the pulp from the seeds. So our seeds become pulp free. And they will settle at the base. These are lightweighted, so they will settle at the base. So we will extract by removing the top liquid. We will extract these seeds from the base. Then we will go for washing, thoroughly washing with the tap water 4 to 5 times to make these seeds free from acid. And it is said that this acid method is one of the quicker method for seed extraction. And the acid treatment to these seeds gives bright color to these seeds, means they are quite attractive in their look, and these seeds are having good germination ability. These seeds under which we have extracted by acid method are having good germination ability, and these are फ्री फ्रॉम फंगल अटैक, मीन्स इन पे फंगस जल्दी अटैक नहीं करता है जो हमने एसिड मेथड से आइसोलेट किए होते हैं सीड्स को. सेकेंड इज द फर्मेंटेशन मेथड. सो व्हाट वी डू इन केस ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन मेथड, हम लोग इसमें वुड कंटेनर्स लेते हैं, नॉन मेटालिक कंटेनर्स मोस्टली वी कीप, क्योंकि कोरिजन होगा तो सीड्स में कुछ इफेक्ट आ सकता है उसकी वजह से। वी सिंपली क्रश अवर दिस टमाटो लाइक, फिर उसको एक सिंपली पॉट में रखते हैं, कंटेनर में रखते हैं फॉर 2 to 3 days। देयर आर हैविंग, मतलब ये एंजाइम्स, मेनी पैथोजेंस विल बी प्रेजेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ दीज मतलब फूड फ्रूट्स। सो ऑब्वियसली विद इन 2 to 3 days वहाँ पे जो है, इवन आप टमाटर को ऐसे सड़ने के लिए रखेंगे वो फिर पूरा पानी पानी हो जाता है, तो वहाँ पे फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस हो जाती है। वहाँ पे जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स है दे यूटिलाइज द पल्प ऑफ दिस फ्रूट। फिर वहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो सीड्स है वो बॉटम में आ जाते हैं, सेटल डाउन हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि पल्प कन्वर्ट हुआ होता है बाय द ऑर्गेनिज्म। देन वी कलेक्ट दीज सीड्स, वॉश इट and dry it under the shade. The seeds which we have isolated by fermentation method are dull in color. By acid method we was having bright color seeds, but here we are having dull color seeds. और उसमें fungal load रहता है, means these seeds are prone for the fungal infection as well. I can say that the fermentation method is not the good method, but it was earlier used for the seed extraction. So another is the alkali method, as name indicates। हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हमारा जो पल्प फ्रूट है उसको फुल्ली राइपन फ्रूट हम लोग लेते हैं, we harvest this, then crush it to make it pulp, like in case of tomato। Then we add to this process, we add alkali agent, 0.5% sodium bicarbonate, 0.5%, just give me 1 minute। So we are adding 0.5% sodium carbonate, that is 500 grams are dissolved in 10 liter of warm water। By this, adding this alkali, they are able to dissolve our pulp. Then we are able to retain our seeds. We wash these seeds with the water. Then we are able to get the high quality or hybrid seeds. So these were the techniques which we are using for the extraction of hybrid seeds.